Most people fail with money, not because they're lazy, but because they ignore a few rules that have always worked. These rules are simple. Wealthy people have used them for decades, and they still work today. Rule number 1. Spend less than you earn. If you spend more than you earn, investing won't save you. Warren Buffett lived in the same modest house he bought in 1958 after he became rich, not before. Wealth starts with control, not income. Rule number 2. Buy assets before lifestyle. Assets first, lifestyle later. In The Millionaire Next Door, researchers studied real millionaires. Most of them drove average cars and avoided flashy spending while building wealth. Looking rich is expensive. Being rich is quiet. Rule number 3. Time matters more than skill. Starting early beats being smart. In investing studies, people who invested consistently, even without perfect timing, outperformed people who waited for the right moment. Compounding rewards patience, not genius. Money hasn't changed. Human behavior hasn't changed. These rules worked then, and they still work now.